So very good morning to all. So in our 11th standard, we are in chapter number 7, structural organizations. In our previous some of the videos we have discussed the different type of tissues and how it's organized. So that step by step we have seen the cells are grouped together and they form tissue. After tissue they form organ system and plastic organism. So here cell, tissue, organ system and organism. So like that in plants and animals, the both things you will study in chapter 2nd and 3rd, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. So right now just I am telling the organizations how the cells make up to form tissue make up to form organs to organ systems. So in our some of the previous videos we have seen, if you know that different animal tissue, in that epithelial tissue, simple epithelium, cuboidal and complex epithelium, all things we have discussed. So here some of the slides for you. Okay. So cell junctions, when two cells join together, tight junction, adherent junction and gap junction, all things we have discussed. So here now next is connective tissue, that also we have discussed, that is blood corpuscles. So here some connective tissues are there, loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue and specialized connective tissues. So here loose connective tissue we have areolar tissue, adipose tissue, then dense connective tissue we have dense regular, dense irregular, specialized connective tissue we have cartilage, bone and blood. So that all things we need to understand. Then the next is the connective tissue about the loose connective tissue, areolar and adipose tissue. Okay, so that next is the dense connective tissue. They are having a regular shape, irregular shape. The regular connective tissue, irregular connective tissue. So we'll go quickly so we are not wasting our time. Next is the dense regular. The tendons and ligaments are there. So when the tendons attach skeletons, muscles to bones, and the ligaments attach one bone to another. So these are the tendons. This is biceps and triceps. You are aware what is tendon and what is ligament. So here some of the important things. If you know the tendons and ligament it's mentioned the difference between ligament and tendon. The tendons attach skeletal muscles to bones. So muscles are attached to the bones and ligaments bone to another bone. So that is the difference between tendons and ligament. Then cartilage, bones. The functions of the bone, they are providing the structural organization of the body. And different type of bloods. If you know that we have different type of cells, RBC, WBC, platelets. And what are the functions of RBC, WBC and platelets? That we have already studied in 9th standard. So RBC, it's control of body temperature. WBC work as a soldier of the body. And platelets are blood clotting. They are responsible for blood clotting. So that all things we discuss. Muscle tissue, we have three types of tissues: voluntary, involuntary and cardiac. So skeletal, voluntary, striated or voluntary, smooth, non-striated or visceral muscles and cardiac muscles. Now what is the location of this type of muscles? That also very much important. Skeletal muscles or striated or voluntary muscles, they are under our wheel. Smooth muscles, they are non-striated or visceral muscles. Cardiac muscle mostly found in the heart. So that quickly we will revise everything. Okay, so cardiac muscles mainly found in observed in heart. They are involuntary muscles. We are not able to control that. Once we control, you know that what will happen. Okay, next important thing today I want to discuss in this video, that is different organs, different organism and their structure. So here first and foremost I want to start, that is morphology and anatomy of cockroach. Even you will go for the earthworm, it is there in the textbook, then frog. So that two need to be discussed, that we will see later on. So first I will start with the cockroach. Now my dear student, we know that cockroach, they are in the phylum. The phylum is Arthropoda. Class is Insecta and genus is Periplaneta. Species is Americana. Okay, so this you need to understand, because in exam it can be asked what is the class of cockroach. So it is Insecta. If it is a phylum, it is a Arthropoda. Genus it is Periplaneta, and species that is Americana. Okay, so that we need to understand. What is the size? What is the color of this cockroach? That is brown or black. Size is 1/4 inch or to 2 inch, or generally it is 0.6 to 7.6 centimeter. So like that size of the cockroach will be. Then here if we see, the adults are about 34 to 53 mm long, and body is covered with a hard brown chitinous exoskeleton. It is made up of chitinous exoskeleton. If you know the cockroach, and if you see the scientific name of cockroach, that can be asked in exam in MCQ. What is the scientific name of cockroach? ABCD. So in that, Periplaneta americana. Okay, Periplaneta americana, that is the scientific name of cockroach that you need to remember. Then morphology. So here in each segment, dorsal view, ventral view, and you can see termites. Okay, so that is important. Then the body has three regions: heart, head, thorax, and abdomen. So it has three main regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. So quickly we'll go to the particular topic. So here first we'll start with the head. Generally, it is a triangular head is formed by 6 fused segments. So they have 6 fused segments, and it shows greatly mobility in all directions due to flexible neck. So it can rotate its neck also because it has flexible neck. And head bears a pair of thread-like antenna. So it can, if you know that head, it has antenna, a pair of compound eyes, and biting and chewing type of mouth parts. So that you know this, the structure of it is an antenna. These two are antenna, the pair of antenna, compound eyes they have, so it can rotate its mouth, it can rotate its neck also. Then here if you see the mouth parts, in that ocellus, you can see compound eyes, maxilla, mandible, labrum, and labium. So these are some important parts of the head. Labrum, it is an upper lip, 2 mandibles, 2 maxillae, and these are the important parts of the head. Then thorax, it has 3 parts: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. So in exam it can be asked, name the 3 parts of thorax. So one is prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Okay, so these are the 3 main parts of thorax. glands. Collateral glands. So this here male and female, two cockroaches you will find, male and female. So in that dorsal, ventral and lateral. After the dorsal, ventral and lateral, these are the views where you can easily identify male and female. Okay, so here this is about the abdomen. So now in both sexes, 10 segment bear a pair of jointed anal series, and males bear a pair of short thread-like anal styles. So that we have to understand. Now next is the difference between male and female cockroach. Very much important. So difference between male and female cockroach. So male and female distinguish the cockroach. So here large size, wings extended beyond the tip of the abdomen, narrow abdomen, anal style present, and brood pouch absent. So male and female, in that we are easily identify what is male, what is female. In the female, the smaller size. Generally, the biggest difference of male cockroach and female cockroach is about its size. So male cockroach, they are larger in size, and female cockroach, they are smaller in size. Do not extend it beyond the tip of the abdomen. Broad abdomen absent. What is absent? Anal style present. Anal style absent. Brood pouch absent. Here it is present. So that is the difference between male and female cockroach. Now here next we will discuss alimentary canal. Very much important. Most crucial question will be asked in exam. Alimentary canal has three parts. The structural organization of digestive system of cockroach. Most important, you have to draw this diagram and you have to explain the three parts of it: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. So here three parts are there: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. So this is the structure. It is there in the textbook itself. This structure is already there. So here Malpighian tubules are there. This is rectum. How we have our digestive system. The same way you will find the digestive system in cockroach, but it is different. It is open. Here, if you see the blood circulatory system of cockroach is open. In our it is closed. But here in digestive system, you will find this type of three parts. Now, foregut is what? It consists of upper part. So it lined by the cuticle. It includes mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crop or stool food, and gizzard, that is the proventriculus. And gizzard help in the grinding the food. It has an outer layer of thick circular muscle and thick inner cuticle form. 6 chitinous plates are there. They generally called as a teeth. So these are some important points of the foregut. Then midgut, that is a mesenteron, and it is not lined by cuticle. That is 6 to 8 tubules are there. That is hepatic or gastric cacti are seen at the junction of the foregut and midgut. They secrete digestive juice. The main function of the midgut, that they are secreting digestive juice, and at the junction of the midgut and the hindgut, there are 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filamentous Malpighian tubules. You can see here Malpighian tubules. This part I am talking about. So how many are there? 100 to 150 yellow colored Malpighian tubules you will observe in the midgut. So that you need to remember. Then hindgut, it is a broader than midgut and lined internally by cuticle. Hindgut includes ileum, colon, and rectum. The same thing what we have in the digestive system. That is ileum, colon, and rectum. And vast difference. Now vast difference in the sense we have closed circulatory system because it will be transferred to different arteries and veins, but here it has open circulatory system. So blood vessels are poorly developed and open to the space. That is why it is hemocyl. Visceral organs located in the hemocyl are packed in the blood, that is hemolymph, that is colorless, plasma and hemocytes. We have hemoglobin, but here hemocytes. Understood? They are colorless. Heart. Now next is that is about heart. Heart, you know that consists of elongated muscular tube lining along mid dorsal line of the thorax and abdomen. So here if you see the chamber of the heart you will see here. Okay, and it has funnel shaped chambers with ostia on either side, and blood from the sinus enter heart through ostia and is pumped anteriorly to the sinus again. So it will be continue. So it has open chambers. And next is the respiratory system of the cockroach. It has opening. It has the network of trachea that open through 10 pairs of small holes or spiracles present on the lateral side of the body. So here this is the respiratory system, and the thin branches of trachea tube are called tracheoles. They carry oxygen from the air to all parts. The same mechanism what we have. We are also taking oxygen from outside and releasing carbon dioxide. The same thing they are also doing. So here they have spiracles. We have areolar sac. Okay, so that is the difference. And the opening of the spiracle is regulated by sphincters. They are closing and opening. When it comes air, so it let them open. When it stops, so in that open and closing sphincters are there, and gas exchange takes place at the tracheoles by diffusion. Diffusion process will be there here. Now next, there is a excretory system. How the unwanted things will be eliminated from the body. So that is excretory system. Uricotelic. They are uricotelic, and excretory organ is Malpighian tubule. Remember this. In humans, in different organisms, their excretory units are different. Here also the excretory unit is different. In our nephrons are there. Here excretory organ is Malpighian tubules. Understood? So that is the difference. And each tubule is lined by the glandular and ciliated cells. They absorb nitrogenous wastes and convert them into the uric acid. It is excreted out through the gut. So unwanted things will be removed with the help of the system. That system is considered as excretory system. Fat body, nephrocytes, ureopods gland also help in the excretion. So some other glands also helping in the excretion. So here it is how the excretory system is working. Now nervous system. What we have, the nervous is the same type of nervous system, but it will be not well developed. So it consists of segmentally arranged ganglia joined by the pair longitudinal connectives on the ventral side. The 3 ganglia lie in the thorax and 6 in the abdomen. And the head, you can see here, this is the nervous system, the circulatory. If you see the diagram in the textbook, you will understand. The same diagram you will see. If the head of the cockroach is cut off, it will still lie for 1 week. So this is the best mechanism that God has given. If head will cut off the cockroach, then also it will remain alive for a say. It's somewhat different from other organism. Okay, so it is important. And the supraesophageal ganglia, that is called brain, supplies nerves to antenna and compound eyes. So that the function of this nerve sense organs, antenna they have eyes, maxillary bulbs, labial bulbs, and anal circi. Now, sensory receptors of antennae monitor the environment. Each compound eye consists of 2000 hexagonal hematidia. It is a hematidia. Using this, a cockroach can receive several images of an object. This is called mosaic vision. The best vision of invertebrate, we can say, that is mosaic vision. As far as vision is concerned, the cockroach, because it can see 2000 hexagonal views, and that is mosaic vision, and it has more sensitive but less resolution, being common during the night. Hence, it is called nocturnal vision. At the night time, they are very clear. Now, next is two important systems of the cockroach. That is male reproductive system and the female reproductive system. So this can be asked in exam. So here it can be asked, draw a level diagram of male reproductive system of cockroach, draw a level diagram of female reproductive system of the cockroach. So in that we have to draw this diagram. So male reproductive system, it consists of pair of testes, seminal vesicle, accessory glands, and external genitalia. So these are the organs, these are the main parts of the male reproductive system. So testes are there, they are secreting sperm. Okay, so that function you know that. And different organs, external genitalia. Here male reproductive system testes lie literally in the 4 to 6 segment of the abdominal segment. So it is 4 to 6. The testes you will observe. Each testis a thin vas deferens is there. Then seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct, and male gonosphere. And seminal vesicles, spermatophores, they are discharged during copulation. Copulation process, male and female, so that we know. So here also some of the accessory glands. There is a mushroom. It include a mushroom gland. It is observed in 6 to 7 of segment and phallic gland. Their secretion nourish the sperms. External genitalia, male gonadophysis or phallomeres. Chitinous asymmetrical structure surrounding the male gonosphere. Okay, so that we need to know. Next is the female reproductive system of the cockroach. So in that ovary. So here it consists of 2 large ovaries. You can see 2 large ovaries. Oviducts. These are the oviducts. Then spermatheca. Spermatheca also you will observe here. These are the spermatheca. And genital chambers. Genital chambers also you will see. These are the genital chambers. And collectoral glands. So that also you will see. That is collectoral glands. So this structure you need to draw in exam. So female reproductive system. The ovaries lie literally in the 2nd and 6th abdominal. In that it was in male, that is 4 to 6. Each ovary is formed by 8 ovarian tubules. And ovarioles also we can say, and continue with the chain of the developing ova. So in that ootheca, so that is genital chambers are there in the female reproductive system. So here the female reproductive system, main thing we need to know, a pair of spermatheca is present in the 6th segment, which opens into the genital chamber. It can be asked in exam. A pair of gland is present in the 6th segment, that is spermatheca. The sperms are transferred through a spermatospore, and their fertilized eggs are insects that is ootheca. That is O is silent, ootheca. So that important. Now reproductive system of the anatomy of this. So this is how to look develop of P. americana, that is Periplaneta americana is Perometabolous. That is a development through a nymphal stage, and they molt 13 times to reach the adult form. And the next to the last nymphal stage has wing pads. Only adult cockroach have wings. That also you need to remember. The young cockroach do not have wings. Only adult cockroach has wings. And then the economic importance. You know that cockroach, they are pests because they destroy food and contaminate it with their smelly excretion. So this is economic importance. They are very dangerous, if you know that. And sometimes in a medical view they are helpful also. They also transmit bacteria. This is like cholera, typhoid and tuberculosis, etc. So in that way they are dangerous for us also. So here it is importance of cockroach. If you see frog and earthworm, that is also anatomy and morphology type of questions will be there. If you read, you will understand the textbook. All things are given. This is the overview. It is just one type of presentation for you, so you will understand the structure. But here important thing in this is the structures. Structures are always crucial in that male and female reproductive system, nervous system, excretory system of the cockroach. So up to here we'll stop. In our coming class we will go for another chapter, and the chapter is third, that is animal kingdom. So the chapters are again we will try to complete. Here some of the topics I would like to complete with the help of another PPT presentation. So up to here we'll stop, and in coming class we'll go for